high-low temperature circulation unit is connected to a double-layer glass reactor for trial operation. First, correctly connect the system. The inlet of the circulator is linked to the outlet on the upper end of the reactor. The outlet of the circulator is connected to the bottom inlet of the reactor, ensuring a sealed connection. After completing the setup and confirming no leakage, proceed to liquid filling and test run. Add special heat transfer oil for high-low temperature equipment until the level is above the midpoint of the sight glass. Open both the inlet and outlet valves, switch on the power, and the screen will light up. As the oil enters the reactor jacket, continue adding to help remove trapped air. When the jacket is fully filled, the liquid level in the sight glass should remain near the center line. For cooling settings, press the set button, use the shift and arrow keys to adjust the temperature. Lower the set point to the required temperature, and cooling will continue until the target is reached. Once the system reaches the set temperature, the cooling trial operation is complete. Without changing the medium, proceed with the heating test by setting the temperature to 50 degrees Celsius. Use the same steps, and then press the heat button to start heating. The system will steadily rise in temperature until it reaches 50 degrees Celsius. When the target is achieved, the high temperature trial operation is complete.